What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chicken bacon ranch flatbread pizza. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken breast, bacon, flatbread, green onion, red onion, Monterey Jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, a ranch seasoning packet, mayo, buttermilk, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes. Begin by dicing half a red onion. Chop up some green onion. Cube 2 chicken breasts. In a bowl, add your chicken breast and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season the taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder, and Italian seasoning. Shred Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese. To make the ranch dressing, add 2/3 cups of mayo, 2/3 cups of buttermilk, and a ranch packet to a bowl and mix until combined. Place the ranch in the refrigerator for later. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add bacon and cook until crispy. Once the bacon is done, remove it from the pan. Add the chicken to the same pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until fully cooked. Give your bacon a rough chop. Now it's time to build the pizza. Add ranch to the flatbread and spread to about 1 inch from the edges. Top with Monterey Jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, chicken, bacon, red onion, green onion, a bit more Parmesan cheese, and red pepper flakes. Bake at 425 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, chicken bacon ranch flatbread pizza. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.